Alright, y'all, welcome back to the Dominoes 7 show, live location at my crib. Oh, I know, I meant to say live location at the convention center. Okay, so anyway, going to Comic-Con. Well, I'm here by myself, okay? So let's go into through the rear. Through where? It's probably all the way down here. That dirty bastard Truth the Gamer, aka hello. Alright, so they wouldn't let me in through the whatchamadiggum. So or the cafe, Jazz City. Oh, listen to that music, okay? Alright. So, alrighty. Oh, wait, alright. Alright. Oh, look what's happening. A performance. Alright. The music is so loud. I ain't in nobody's way. No other people's filming though. Alright, what's the next performance? I hope I don't get a copyright thing on this. What's going on up here? Oh, anything I don't like is acrobats, because I don't like them to fall and hurt themselves. That dirty bastard Truth the Game ain't here. Oh well. I guess they ain't performing right now. Oh, they must be getting set. Oh well, let's go walk around, stuff like that. We gonna oh, they got some cool stuff here. Too bad I can't afford them. How y'all doing? All right. Look, New Orleans Comic-Con 2018. All right. All right. So, so here we go.
Oh no, I see the hole. Maybe it's there.
All right. All right. So, off we go. All right. Check out all this. Y'all see that, folks? Huh. All this. Oh, let's go over here. I'm doing a show for YouTube, in case you're wondering. All right. Oh, look at the Nintendo stuff. We're doing more performances. Well, I'll be damned. I'll be right back.